Hello everybody, welcome back to Twisted V Twin Garage. Well, today we're going to do some other stuff that's normally we don't do, but we was contacted by a company to try some of their product. So and this isn't paid by anybody or anything, it's just a demonstration on a product. We're going to see how it does. I'm not familiar with the product, but we're going to give it a try, give an honest review, an opinion on it, and see how good the product is. And we're going to show you guys today some of the product. And this is called Super Clean. They have reached out to us to see if we would like to try their product, and we'll give it a try and we'll see what we got. They sent us some Super Clean Task Mask Tough Mask Cleaner. It's dissolves grease, super clean, super fast. And we're going to try some of that today. We also have Tough Task Cleaner, Degreaser, dissolves grease, super easy, super fast. And there's this product. And let's see, Super Clean Wheel Cleaner. They sent us this to try as well. And we have a big old jug of Super Clean Floor Absorbent for oil and everything. So we have all these products to try. We're going to give an honest review on it. We're going to let you see what this product does. So we'll try the grease dissolver. This is a 1948 snapper mower. We're going to try it on that, and we're going to see if it'll clean it up, just to see. I've never tried any of this product, so we're going to let that sit there for a minute. It says it'll clean brakes, grills, engines. So we're going to see. You guys will get to see the reveal of it. I'm just going to wipe it with a rag. It says it's super fast. Like I said, I've never used this product. Never have ever heard of it until now. My golly, that came out like brand new. Let's try a little bit up here on this white. We'll see what it does. Well, guys, you're going to have to be the judge of that, but that product right there, I might have to give it a thumbs up. That came out like brand new, guys. And like I said, I don't know anything about this product. I've never used it before. They sent an email over and the wife got it. I agreed, give it a shot. See what it does. So far, looks great. Now we got some heavy grease and stuff down here on this mower deck, and let's give this a try and see how it works out. Dissolves grease super easy. So let's wash this deck down with it. And as you've seen, when I cleaned that top, I didn't put hardly any pressure at all. Just wiped it, and by golly, it come out outstanding. So we'll let that set a few minutes, let you see the working action and stuff of this product. But so far, Super Clean looks pretty decent to me. But let's see how it does on this deck. That's two of their products, and like I said, I first time go around with it, so let's see how it works out. Keep in mind, this is a 1948 mower that I just got done. It's a customer job, and I just want to see how well it cleans up for an old machine like this. Just a little bit of rubbing and not a whole lot of elbow grease or anything, just wiping it down just to see where we're at with it. Let's take another look here, get a little bit more light. Guys, there you go. I mean, that's pretty awesome. Looking to see what that Super Clean has done for a 1948 lawnmower. But my goodness, I have to give it a thumbs up, guys. I mean, you've seen it, I tried it, and a little bit of wiping. Unbelievable. So there you have it. I don't know what everybody thinks of it, but I'm seeing it's doing a pretty good job. Got some pretty heavy grease over here on this side. Let's wipe it down a little bit. Like I said, it didn't take much to clean. My goodness. That wasn't much hard work at all, guys. So if you haven't tried Super Clean, I'm going to say, you know, y'all might be missing out on something. And that Super Clean actually took the tarnish off of that mower deck with very little work whatsoever at all. So just remember, guys, Super Clean. I've never heard of them. I just tried their product for the first time. They also sent me this super clean hat. And out of all fairness, there it is, guys. I have to give them a thumbs up on their product. Will I use it again? You betcha. I'll have to figure out where to find the product or order direct. But there you go. There's a final result. It don't lie. And you seen what I done. Very little effort. Sprayed it down. Used their product with just a rag. So hopefully this video will help y'all find some good product for cleaning. And like I said, this is not a paid programming thing. This is something that they reached out to us to try their product. We did it. And there's the results. The results don't lie. And there's their product. You seen what I did. So hopefully this video helps somebody. Give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And please give Super Clean a try. I think you'll be impressed, because I am very impressed with their product. First time user, love it. I give them a thumbs up. And you all have a good day.